Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google online booking system. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete your Google online appointment calendar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete your Google online booking calendar anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing coaching, you know that sometimes you're going to switch offers, or maybe you're no longer going to offer online appointments. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Calendar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Calendar and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, you're going to see all of your bookable appointment schedules. So you can see weekly, I have availability on Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And this is for fitness coaching. So maybe I'm no longer going to offer fitness coaching. So what you're going to do is just click on an available appointment right here. Once you do that, it's going to show you more information about that appointment schedule. And you want to click on this trash can. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to read through this correctly. So basically, you can delete or remove your appointment availability just for this week only, or you can completely remove it, which is what I'm going to do. So you're going to click here on all availability. Now, if you're going to delete all of your appointment schedule, the link that you've been sharing in your social media, it's no longer going to work. You're not going to have a booking calendar available for your appointments. However, any appointments that you had previously will remain on your calendar. This is just going to remove any kind of available appointment schedules. So you want to click on OK. Quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see all of my booking appointment availability has now been removed, even if we go into the future. So if you want to set up a different appointment schedule calendar, you can do that by clicking right here and then click on appointment schedule and then just follow the instructions there. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove your Google appointment schedule calendar, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.